Hey Myntra Beauty fam, welcome back to Myntra's YouTube channel. So 2023 is here and I, like most people, love to keep up with trends. So I have decided to look into some new trends that we might expect to see this year. So before I start, let me begin by saying that I got all this amazing makeup from the Myntra Beauty section on the app. They have all my favorite brands and you can check them out too right here. It is truly the ultimate beauty destination. So the first trend that is already making waves in the makeup scene is the bold lip. We expect to be seeing some amazing bold colors to be doing the rounds and I'm super excited. So to keep up with the trend, I got this amazing vinyl lip color by Maybelline in the shade Witty. I love how smoothly it is gliding on my lips. If you want this, then just check out the link in my description. It is going to suit Indian skin tone so well. Another big trend that is making a comeback in the year 2023 is the shimmer. Be it the highlighter or eyeshadows or even lips, the shimmer is coming back. And for that, I got this amazing shimmer eyeshadow on Myntra. It is the exact bling I needed in my makeup kit. As you can see, this is the eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution and I am obsessed with it. It has this amazing duochrome shadows. You can apply this with your fingers to get the most out of those pigments. Be it a daytime look or a nighttime look, everybody loves shimmers and just look at that beautiful bling. I am absolutely in love. And these are so pigmented yet so creamy. So definitely don't forget to check this one out. The third trend we know is going to blow up the makeup scene in 2023 is the glossy lip. So I found this super smooth and super glossy lip gloss by the brand Color Bar in the shade Shimmy 005. And I am absolutely in love with this shade. Just look at that bronze golden glow. It has the amazing nourishing effect on my lips while adding much needed shine to my look. You can totally wear this for events. Also, you can use it with your favorite lip liner, and this is going to add a very nice glossy touch to your makeup look. While we have been talking about bold lips and shimmer makeup, nude looks or natural looks are also expected to do the rounds in 2023. And investing in some good old nude makeup shade would be a good idea right now. I found this amazing nude eyeshadow palette by Essence on Myntra. It is so elegant and perfect for a natural day look. You can use the mattes for a daytime look, and as you can see, I'm using the shimmer to give a very nice soft glam effect, and this is just going to make your eyeshadows pop out more and look more event appropriate as well. Now, as you can see, you can amp up the look by using a darker shades in the outer corners, and here is the look done. So simple yet so elegant. The final trend that has been predicted to come back in 2023 is the blush. People are already leaning into the over-the-top blush look and I'm simply obsessed. I found this amazing set of blushes by the brand In Color and it's gorgeous. I love how easily it is blending on my skin and is giving the perfect natural flush we all want from a blush. I highly recommend you go and try this product out. And if you're wondering where to get the product, I have left the link in the description. As you can see, this is how the blush looks like, super natural. So these were just some of the major makeup trends that we are expecting to see in 2023 and I'm super excited. I love experimenting and this year is shaping up to be an exciting one, definitely. And if you're also looking to keep up with this amazing trend, then head directly straight to the Myntra app and check out the beauty section right here on the app. With the skin analyzer, I got some amazing recommendation by the app itself, so I was super happy with all the choices that I had. So that's all for today. Stay tuned to keep up with more such amazing content by Myntra and subscribe to the channel now.